Forward. Forward your feet. Okay? Here. Puck. Here. Around. Back. Back. Here. Stop there. Here's this. This guy. No puck. Out to here. Through that. Here. Through here. Back. Two. On 0. Soon. 2 on 1. Okay? But right now, you have to get the timing. You must think. If my partner is going slow, then slow down. You must never pass behind. Never. There is no good excuse for a pass behind. None. I cannot have you on the power play anymore if you can't make a pass. If I have to play somebody for 2 minutes, I'm going to play them for 2 minutes because they can make passes. You must make 3 passes to go from there to there. You must make 3 passes. I have to find 5 guys that can pass the puck 3 times. That's all. You can't pass the puck into their skates. You can't pass the puck behind them. It must be in front. If I am afraid to pass, shoot it in. Go stand there. Go stand there. And you keep hitting the referee. I'm lucky I wasn't leaning over the board. You probably would have hit me. You can't hit him. Shoot it in. If you're going to hit that guy, if you're going to hit this guy, if you're going to hit him right there. Don't hit him in the skates. Hit him in the head. He won't stand there anymore. He'll be scared shitless. He won't be holding his nuts. He'll be doing this. Come on. You guys, you've got to think when you're out there. You can't be shooting the puck at the referee. You must shoot it down there. Okay, let's do this.